To become a PSYOP soldier, you must obtain qualifying scores on both the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery and the Defense Language Aptitude Battery, and be airborne qualified or willing to volunteer for training. Enlisted soldiers must be eligible for a secret clearance. Officers must be eligible for a top secret clearance. Active duty PSYOP training begins with an 11-day Psychological Operations Assessment and Selection course at the U.S. Army JFK Special Warfare Center and School before beginning the qualifying training course. Candidates will undergo intense physical fitness training, psychological assessments, and individual as well as team problem-solving scenarios.
Experiences that you can have with the airborne training, the language training, that foreign experience, and the qualifications that you get in this schoolhouse completely sold me on it.
The active duty training pathway is conducted in 5 phases lasting 44 to 45 weeks.